Ah! Jump scare! Whew! Okay, you can go back in this one. That's good. Okay. Yay. Big cell. Oh, that's a laser. I was gonna say big cell cell, but that's a laser. That's a cross laser. That's not a cell. How silly of me. I fear that this will lag and it will not work. At least my stylus won't work. Uh, it's struggling. It's struggling. It's struggling. I don't know if I can do it, guys. I don't know if I can do my stylus. Oh my god. No. Maybe not. Oh. I don't know if I can do Krita, guys. Oh my god. I forgot to mute. Uh-oh. Guys, I'm closing Krita. I'm closing Krita. I can't do this. Not with Krita. That's fake. The window is not open. Do not believe what it says. It is not open. Where's Google Chrome? Oh, I can't use Google Chrome. I can't put it as a window. No, I have to take it out first. Okay. Um, um, um. That's fake. The window is not. Hey, where is it? I don't see it. What the heck? Oh wait, I have to. Properties. Where is it, OBS? Show windows with empty names. There it is. There we go. I've got the browser MS Paint, JS Paint, because I think I'll be able to handle this one. I've intentionally got it set to normal delay, so that way it doesn't blow up my laptop. So it's going to be a little delayed, just a little bit. I still can't use my stylus. This sucks. Hatred. Let go. Let go of my cursor, please. Maybe I should clear out some stuff. Task manager details priority contact menu. This is a Mac, you fool. This is a Mac. My cat keeps poking me in the arm. Stop it. Go away. Go away. I'm not giving you nothing. Which guy? Which one guy? I've got many voices. I have many voices. Hey, guess what? Desktop mode, because I'm gonna, surprise, show you this sheet, which is every single asset that's been sent in. Oh. I must see this one. 58 characters. Okay. Aadenboy. Oh. Whoa. Inbox. Import. Nice dots. Okay. Wait, what did it say? What did it say? Now I need to look up things. Saturday, vivid slash stasis. What do you mean the ink was invisible? I've never had this issue. Oh my god, no! Do not tear that off. No. No! Don't tear that off! You fool! You don't get to take apart my fan. Paste. Wow. I don't get layers. I have to I have to I don't use this software. Um my stylus is working now. Maybe I can try Krita. Maybe, please. I will try. Oh god. No. It's not liking that. Slenderman! Yo! Guys, it's Slenderman. I'm going to try something. I'm gonna put back on Krita. Look at my recent works. New image. 1600. Because I'm crazy. I'm crazy. That's my default canvas size. So the only issue with drawing this is that I do not draw humans on the frequent. No, my stylus, please. Respond. Respond Huion software. I don't even know how to pronounce that name. I'm making myself laugh. I'm such a funny individual. What brush should I use? Should I use the anti-alias brush or the aliased brush? No, that's not the brush slider. Sparkles brush. I'm so autistic. How fun. Yeah, that one. I feel like doing that one right now. Okay, no more pin for you. I'm removing your pin, Slenderman. I collected your pace. Look. Ah. Okay, must I really make the darn sketch layer? I don't think I can do the pen, guys. I don't think I can do the pen. Look at that. It isn't responding. It's so slow. I don't want to use my mouse. No. Look at that. Terrible. Oh my god. Let go of my mouse. I don't want this. Oh my god. Guys, I don't think I can. I don't know. I don't think I can do it. That freehand brushstroke took those freehand brush. Nope. What are you eating? No! Don't eat the tape! Don't eat the tape. No! Stop. Stop eating the tape. Because duct tape tastes better than bread. Circle. I don't know, guys. Chat. Is this real? Is this real, chat? Maybe I have to zoom in further. And then I can... You know what? I'm gonna roll with it. I'm gonna roll with it. It's... No! Stop. I'm kicking you out of the room. Get out. Get out. Go. Oh my god. This stream will be entirely me failing to make a circle for 2 hours. This would be easier if it didn't lag, but I've got OBS open, so it's killing itself. Oh, I should try the inbox. That would be fun. Inbox, drawing. Maybe. Dude, that works so well. That works so well. What? Is this gonna be inbox drawing stream? No chat. You don't get a chat. It doesn't work. See, now he wants back in. I've got to let him in now. I've got to let him in now. Come on. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. I don't know what you want. The ultimate solution to my problems. The one thing I made. Look at that. That is so clean. That is so clean. Oh, never mind. It broke! It broke! It's lagging! I put too many strokes and now it's lagging. Because I have the most efficient implementation of this, where I draw every single stroke every single time. I have to redraw the canvas. Stop! No! Do you need sustenance? I don't feed you until 6! I'm having voice cracks because of this guy. The way I implemented this was this redraws every single part of the canvas every single time, so eventually this is going to start like lagging like crazy, which is funny. What are you doing? Yeah, play the crinkly thing. Play this. Come on. Come on. Come on. There you go. Yay. Oh, get it. Okay. So I've got this, and I've got that. I'm gonna make this transparent. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make that transparent. Woo! Look it, I can draw. I can actually draw. Now I've got to figure out how to do hair. I might do music. I'm not sure how Ultrabox will fare with the stream, but if this runs, then maybe Ultrabox runs. And I'm using a transparent brush so that way it's like layered over. It does this thing. Okay, no, I don't want you eating that. No, 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 no! No, come back! Please don't eat the plastic. Seriously, this is bad for you. Why are you like this? This is going wrong in every single way. You don't get to eat the plastic. They are added below the layer because I was very simple and decided that I would just use the insert, no, the push thing, whatever it's called. Maybe I will have it move it above. Hold on, wait, am I stupid? I am stupid. I didn't even make it. It just inserted at the lowest point. That's amazing. Okay, so how do I draw this person? How do I draw this person? I don't know. What is that? Clothing? Impossible. See, I'm not able to do this because I'm streaming. Maybe I should stop the stream and then when I'm done I will put it back up. That is an amazing idea. I don't know how to interpret this drawing. Like, I would try to draw it, but I don't know how to interpret its form. So I'm having trouble using the reference. Is there more images? No, it's a stub. The damn article's a stub. Hold on, that's not why I made the stream. That's not why I made the stream. What am I doing? Oh wow, that's a lot of inbox messages. Guys, what is this one? Recipe! Yes, I do remember. I do remember. I made a ref sheet for this character and completely stole it over in the Baba Chord. I did that once. Uh, why is Slenderman in my inbox? This is not okay. Here, let me pull it up. Let me pull it up. Look, Slenderman's in my inbox. Scary! Moss Eater, I have not played Rain World. I have not. Because I'm on a Mac. See, this guy's just throwing boxes around. He's got this giant box on the couch and he's just toppling it over. At least you're not eating tape. Phil. Lasso tool. Look at that. So cool. Best feature ever. I did see the song. I was very impressed. Thank you for that. It is so much better than the original song. Oh, you are eating tape, huh? No. I can't even draw sauce. What have I become? What have I become? Look at him. He's malformed. Layer 2. I'm gonna go with a close enough color. That's how I... No. More like... There we go. Oh. Right here. This is how I pick the colors for all of them. I use a close enough color. This guy was originally a very plain green, but then he shifted into a green-blue. So... evolution or something. I don't know why it doesn't work on... It works on my phone. I don't know why it doesn't work on others. And I can't reproduce the issue because I don't have all the phones in the world. I'm very sorry. I don't know why it doesn't work. You want to see sauce in original color. Aadenboy YouTube posts. Right here. Sauce, and we've got to go all the way back. This is him in his original color. He was very green. That's stupid. I have to pause for a while so that way the latency can catch up and then that latency comes back as a really long pause for you guys. So that's fun. Kit Studios, look, it's Gah. It's Gah. Oh wait, he had ear whiskers? What the heck? I forgot. He doesn't get those. He doesn't get to have those. Whoa, ladder. Ladder. No, I'm not drawing person. I'm gonna draw my characters because that's all I can do. That's all I can muster. I'm sorry. Import. What's it? Oh my god. Hey, guess what? You can undo imports. No, no, you can't. I'm a liar. I'm sorry. I thought you could. What's this one? Import PNGs drawn in other. It cuts off. I don't want to use the regular version of Google Sheets, but I guess I must because I can't edit anything this way. This browser version is no longer supported. Please upgrade to a supported browser. Shut up. Shut up, shut up, shut up. Let me close out. Grr. Let's browse. Whoa, Oscar. Let's browse. Let's browse. Hey guys. It's so bad. It's so laggy. Terrible. Hey, look, it's serious. And I guess silly too. I probably could put it in the link because it's meant to fit in the URL because I've got so much compression crap going on. Look at that, so small. 165 bytes. I probably could just put it into the link like Ultrabox does. Like that. Okay, this is what I was here for. So I can go over and make it wrap because it doesn't before. C128. Geometry Dash. I wish I could on my laptop. I wish I could, but my version is 10.14, and that's just a little too old for the newer versions of Geometry Dash to support. And I'm not using my phone. I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that again. And is it possible to import PNGs drawn in other programs here? No. Yes. Maybe. It cannot be sent in with the URL. Maybe if it was a source from a website, I maybe could do that because Ultrabox does that. I think Jumpbox was the one that did that first for audios. I maybe could do that. Maybe. But then I would have to import like selection and crap, and I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that. Um. Oh, you know what? I forgot to post. Wait, I forgot to tell Tumblr. I forgot to notify Tumblr. Hold on. Give me like 10 moments. 10 bajillion moments. That's how many moments you need to give me. I completely forgot. I can't see the chat right now. Where do we go? Where do we go? Where is I skipped it. I don't care if it has the SI in it. Whatever. I will let YouTube track everybody. Oh, trust me, that website does tumble. That website does tumble every, like, few months where they decide to put a bad feature in, apparently. And also the other bad crap they do. It's not a good website. Do not go there. They will blow you up. I don't want the lasso. She doesn't deserve her spike necklace. She doesn't deserve it. I can feel it getting progressively worse the more that I draw because of my terribly inefficient way of redrawing this. This is too dark of a shade of purple. Whatever. Make her yellow. Yes, I must make her yellow. I have an amazing, quick solution for this. Which one? Destination over. I didn't do that right. Dude, you can see it getting laggier. Ah! Destination out. Atop? In? No. Source out. Source atop. There we go. Those are my fingers cracking. I'm broken. Hello, any new responses? The boneless creature asked you to stream Joshua, the promised land for us. I'm good. I don't think it'll run. I don't think it'll run. That's not the scope of this stream, fool. I will call everybody fools. Hey, do you want to see statistics? Nope, it's working. Look at these. Look at this. Going over here. Grat Crazy has sent 39 drawings. I wish he was here, but it's like 1 a.m. for him right now, or 2 a.m. Which is sad. Because he sent so many. I need to go over here. I need to mark all of these as... I'll do it later. I'll go back in the stream and figure it out later. I will put on this one. I like this one. Clear. Who else? SB112, go to sleep. Go to sleep, please. Draw a fish. There's your fish. You can do the rest yourself. Here's some lore for you. Here's some lore for you. Goki is canonically not a CAG. He is like a generic anthropomorphic cat. Maybe, I don't know, something back here. I don't even know how it's patterned. Blah, blah, blah. Here's your tail. Do not forget the accent mark. It is C-O-K-U-I with acute mark. I don't know what breed he is. He's not even from Puerto Rico. I need to check again. What's my hardest on Geometry Dash? I don't... What is this? Is that a face? Is that a face? And that's the nose. Yup. That's the nose. That's not even where this goes. Those were the lips. Maybe I should, like, check, validate these off of these before I re-import it, just in case. There you go. Your monk! It's radioactive! It's radioactive! Ah, well, it's this layer. You hit a layer. You hit a layer. Wow, it's your sketch layer. See, I love that all of the layers are kept in the code because then I can spy on what you did. Look at it, I can see what you did. Hey guys, let's check all the layers. So interesting. Why would you have these as two separate layers? Okay. Very cool. Thank you. Oh, I completely forgot to answer the question. I need to check Geometry Dash. Hold on. Let me see. I don't even remember. My hardest is a medium demon platformer. That's all I can tell you. I beat the nightmare if that counts. I think they have like legs. I think they have I think they have I think they have eyes. Um Guys, what do bees have? Ugh, gone. I've rid of him. I don't remember what color Silly is. I can't color pick anyways. We need to check. Okay. I don't know how up to date that is, but sure. So I don't have a memory. I can't forget your thing. Look at my speedrun ability. Make me a little guy, you know? Put speedrun ability as 5 star. No, 3 stars. It is a 3-star scale. What is it? What is it? No, I have a thing for this. I made layer properties for this purpose. So, I don't even remember what color. I don't. It was like an orange. It was like a red, I think. And then I add a layer. I put it to the top. I put it as white. I go over here, and I don't even know. Darken, perhaps. That's not how that works. Multiply, lighter, XOR, difference. That's not how that works. Saturation. It's only getting silly. I'll do it manually. Look at my amazing art. You two need to sleep. Stop staying up, please. Oh, did I forget the wings for the bee? No! I can't believe it. Let me undo. Let me undo. I need to go all the way back. There we go. I compensated for losing your art to clearing by allowing you to just completely undo it. It's like Patrick's parabox, but like with the undo feature, specifically the undo feature. Clear. Checking the inbox. Okay, I can't speak. What are my thoughts on grilled cheese? They're very good. They're very good. I think they go better with tomato soup. That's a good combo. You guys need to sleep. Seriously. This isn't okay. I'm gonna intermission real quick because I wanna show something. I need to turn on my desktop audio. I don't know if it'll play. It does play. Okay. Look at all of the words I've made. Pronounced. I need to put on my headphones. Anti-intellectualism. Anti-intellectualism. That is my U.S. pronunciation. I am from the United States of America. Unincorporated community. Pharyngalization. Concatenate. That's not how you say concatenate. I don't even know how you say concatenate. How do you say concatenate? Because I don't know how you say it. I would go by this, but I don't pronounce, like, at least two of these phonemes. Hey, look. Aadenboy. Wow. Oh, also. Anyways. Oh, I need to turn up my phone. Make sure. I don't even know how you say concatenate. No. How do you say concatenate? Because I don't know how you say it. I would go by this, but I don't pronounce it. I need to make sure it's actually going through the audio. You might hear some playback. Look. Wow. It did go through. Okay. Why is what an actual Wikipedia page? That's my user page on Wiktionary. Imagine if Silly was on Wiktionary. You might be able to if you find a relevant article. Um. No, that's not a smile. There's a specific pattern to it. There's a specific shape to it. Guys, it's him. It's him. See, I pronounce concatenate without two of the T's. I allied two of the T's. I made a transcription of it on the page. I need to pull it up. m.wiktionary.org/dictionary tea room. That's not how you spell tea room. Is it gonna load? Oh wait, no. I have to go back to April because it's in the April archive. Concatenate. There we go. So this is what I assumed I would pronounce it as. I remove the T, I syllabize that in, and I remove the other T in place of a glottal stop, I think. I think it's a glottal stop. Concatenate. Yeah, it's a glottal stop. Okay. This guy flaps his T. Wow. No, this conversation was funny. Serendipity has always been my favorite word because it captures that magical feeling. Those are exactly the kind of words I hate in English. Of course, there are worse ones, such as pusillanimous or infinitesimal. This feeling has nothing to do with Germanic purism. It's just something miserable bugger. Philistine. How do I... Philistine troglodyte. Where is add on my Blender modes? It's... I don't know. I think it's lighted. I think it's lightened. So I take this and draw a big old thing. Then I add a new layer. Take this. And I draw a big old thing. And I go over here. And I use lighter. There we go. Why are there two? There's lighter and a light in. What's the difference? Pseudo hypoparathyroidism. Is that on there? Is that on there? I've got to check if that's on there. Pseudo hyper... Oh, hypoparathyroidism. Yeah. Aw, someone already... No, wait, that's the UK pronunciation.
Pseudo hypoparathyroidism.
Guys, I might do it. I should do it. That would be fun. Get off the desk. I need to go to Lingua Libre and pronounce it right now. Okay. There we go. I'm gonna see if this works with OBS. Oh, God. Test 2. Test 2. Yep. Pseudo hypoparathyroidism. You know what? I'm just gonna make sure. I can type. Okay. Enter. Next. Pseudo hypoparathyroidism. Pseudo-hypoparathyroidism. Nope, I don't like that. I'm gonna redo that. Pseudo-hypoparathyroidism. Pseudo-hypoparathyroidism. No, I need to go back and then forward. Pseudo-hypoparathyroidism. Pseudo-hypoparathyroidism. There you go. Do not publish that one. Come on, yay! Okay. Now, here's how you add it to the article. You go to pronunciation, and I've actually set up an entire thing so I can do it automatically because I don't bother. Subst user aadenboy / audio. Oh, whoops. User aadenboy / audio. Pseudo-hypoparathyroidism. Add US audio pronunciation. Okay, now I go over here. Module : user aadenboy / pronunciations, and I've got to add it to the list now. Hello, hello. There's a bit of lore regarding the voices because they're non-traditional. So I'll have to explain it once I get this made. Ha ha ha. Hey. Pseudo-hypoparathyroidism. Add this word. Yay! There it is. Pseudo-hypoparathyroidism. Okay. Yahoo! There's some lore regarding the voices for each of my characters. Specifically Sauce in particular and his brothers, they speak... Their voice is like a singular... Sauce's is a sine wave. Bismuth is, I think it was a triangle wave that I was going for. Granola is a square wave. Glass is a saw wave because I'm funny like that. And I don't know what voice Chalk would use. He doesn't speak anyways. He barely speaks. He's not that kind of person. Yeah. So that's the lore. Yes, I did know Lua 5.5 released like 4 months ago. I forgot though. I don't care for the new versions. Just kidding. Maybe I do. I have the Lua 5.3 book, I think. I got it off of Amazon. I have the 5.3 Lua book. I love that book. That's my favorite book. Hey man, what book is your favorite? The Lua book. The what book? I love Lua. I love Lua. Tangent wave. I don't know about a tangent wave. No, that might fit him. Damn, that's a good wave. Thank you. Let me see if I can find it. The Lua book. Lua programming. It had a funny cover. It had a really cool cover on it. This one, Programming Lua 4th edition. This is the one that I have. I like this book. Okay, inbox. Anything new? Anything new? That's a lot of new one. Oh goodness. I have a lot of catching up to do. Okay. from SV112. If you put pressure on a fist for an hour, temporarily it will do the static feeling, but also you will not be able to move the fingers with thinking, only by moving them with something else such as your other hand, but while the glitchy state is happening, dude, this is a run-on sentence. It will try to go the in-between of palm and fist, but with only little force if you move them with something else. Also, for some reason, only the ring finger will feel until you touch the others, and they will be static until That does not sound fun, but I know what you're talking about. I've done that with my arm multiple times before. It just goes limp. Sleep emoji. You need to sleep. This moss eater guy's pissing me off. I don't believe so. Did you know that :3? I did not know that. What does this have? Guys, it's a :3. Dude, my watch, the watch is going off. There's a watch in my room, and it goes off every so once in a while. I don't know what's up with that. Whoa! I like this drawing. That's very cool. Bonus layer? What do you mean bonus layer? That's all of your layers. That makes all of your color. His legs just go away. The dude, the ground, the background. Hello, Leppy, welcome to the stream. I think that's how you say the name. I was going to make a silly joke here, but I couldn't make it work, but I don't want this silly cat to go to waste, so I'm sending this anyways. I like this guy. I wonder if this is the same person who sent the two-stroke alphabets. I don't know, the cat feels familiar. If it is, hello again. What are you doing? Get off of there. What do you want? Hold on, I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Alright, be right back. You can stay with the Cellua. I forgot to mute the microphone. Haha. Okay, I'm back. This is taken from Cellua Machine Wiki Mod. Jump scare. Ha 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 ha. Why are you poking me? Stop poking me. I need to draw. I need to draw my child. No, that's too pink. It's more of a purpley color. Guys, it's the advancer cell. Whoa! Oh, I could draw Plu. I could draw Plu. I could draw the Pluer. I'll draw the regular Pluer. No, its ears are round. Not that round, you fool. Good? War? War? No, I'm not making the Plu cell. That would be too much. That would be too much crazy. What are you eating? Stop. This guy's so desperate for food. Hard. Add Control Z, it's implemented. Looky, up here. You can undo so far back. I don't want to implement Plu cell. There's already a Plu cell. See, now I have to boot up Cellua. This is what you're making me do. Some files are missing since you last used OS. Since when was this on my screen? I need to find it. I need to find it in my directory. Love 2D folder. My specifically the Love 2D folder. Cellua Wiki. Guys, I'm switching to desktop. Don't be scared. Don't be scared at the Mac interface. Ah! Wow, this runs really well, actually. I don't know how OBS will fare, but this runs actually rather well. Look, and I take the paints, and I, about like 45, I think. It's the Plu cell. I can make the Plas cell too. Cellua has an exclamation mark. Except it's the wrong color. I need to shift it by like 135 degrees. Nope, that's green. 90? 65. 45. 50. The font, that is the Nokia font. That is the font from Nokia, the Nokia phone, I think. I don't know, it's called Nokia something FS. Everybody edits? Huh? I don't know what that is. I'm sorry. My boy. Look at it. Look at him. SB112, please go to bed. Please sleep, dude. This isn't good for you. Please. No, while you're here, I've got a thing. While you're here, before you sleep, you must see the vortex. It's lagging so bad. And it's because I'm OBS. I know a lot about how this game works. So fun fact, I managed the Cellua Machine wiki. That's how I know a lot. If you'll give me a moment to pull it up, I will pull up the best wiki in the world. I spent a good bit making the style for this. Why is everyone watching this in the middle of the night? Am I really that far in my time zone? Am I really that far in my time zone? I'll check it in a moment. Oh yeah, because I've got this. I've got the wiki on my mind. I'm gonna random page. Let's see what we get. Collider. Okay. List of cells by name length, excluding spaces. I made a funny Tumblr post about this because all of the links to cells, they have the icon of the cell next to it. So you get funny pages like this, where you can just see all of it in one glance, and it's so funny. There's 40k lines of code doubles out of vanilla. Holy crap. 40k lines of code. Where should I go next? Are these lists automated? Yes, this was automated with a Lewis script that I did. It takes from the cell info table. And I just turned it into a wiki table. Oh my god, this is gonna kill my computer. Here's aadenboy. Happy 2026. I made some art. Oh wow. You guys get to look at this for a bit. Admire it. I'm going through my portfolio. Is there a punctuation element for the colon, comma, and apostrophe? No, I did not include those because I don't feel like making those. The original thought was because they are not ending punctuation. They have no tone. Embed textures into rich text. Oh, what the hell? Dude, that would be pretty cool. How do I buy cheeseburgers? You don't. They're illegal. I'm sorry. VM++. That's accounts to Selua. What's next? AI? Are you gonna track us? Send our info to advertisers? Oh. What have you done to him? Is that the heard of few quick matches? Like Stickman Super Smash Bros. I don't think I have. Ooh, anonymous message. Anonymous drawing. I must read. It's... I think it was called Pikuniku. I don't remember. Ha ha ha. If the usual paint tool in the inbox drawing feature, what does that mean? Are you sure they need that many cells? Yes, we need that many cells. We have, I don't even remember how many cells. Category cells. 1,279. I don't know how many the main game has, but it's a bit. Want to see the AP Cell article? You want to see the AP Cell article? uh, this was the page that forced me to start developing CMWM, and then everything in the wiki happened. So that was fun. How easy is it to make a Turing machine? Okay, so there's a page for interpreters, which specifically implement programming languages, and I have implemented bitwise cyclic tag, which is Turing complete. So not too hard if you know what you're doing. User aadenboy slash ECT printer. This is what it looks like, I think. It does things. Automatic Vault Crusher. No, I have not. 3D Cell Lua. Okay. 3D Cell Lua. 3D leaks. You'll never believe it. You'll never believe it. 3D Cell Lua is, in fact, real. And it is the coolest thing I've ever laid my eyes upon. But it is not released yet. Well, I haven't seen this one. What the heck? There are so many fun new cells. Okay, I'm going off track. I'm going off track. What does this say? Can you draw the Eiffel Tower? I can draw an inside joke. That's what I can draw. What am I doing? How do I draw this? Is there a Rule 110 printer? There is not a Rule 110 printer, but there is a Rule 110 metacell that I made. If I can remember what page it was on. Where even? Can... Where'd it go? Gadgets. Metacells. Rule 110. So I can show this. I need to open Cello again. Meow. Shut up. Meow. Meow. Where are you going? Stop going on the desk. So, I don't remember. Okay, put a thing here. That one goes off, and then these go off, and these go off. So, Rule 110 is possible. It has been done. Creation browser. How did you even get HTTPS to work? I couldn't get it to work last time I tried. Unless it's only HTTP. Maybe I don't know enough. But so. Maybe I should add this to... what's its full name? I should add the Hensel to Cellula Duracell copper top AA batteries plus AAA batteries, combo pack, AA 6 in count plus AAA 6 in count, long lasting optimus AA and AAA machine mod. I think this name is funny because someone on Reddit had an error, and so they went to a Reddit thread that was like 2 years old, and they tried to refer to the mod by its full name, and I thought that was really funny. I can find the thread. Oh, it's 3 years old. I got a Cellua error. So you scroll down. I got this on the Cellua Duracell copper top AA batteries with AAA batteries, compact something 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 machine. I thought your art thing was really good at corruption resistance, but then you realized it just wasn't accepting the data? What data? Oh. I'm guessing you tried to take the code and then modify one letter of it. So there is a way to corrupt it. If you take the code you go back and you insert the letter A after the number. I think it was A. You import it. It does this. Because it's trying to interpret it as absolute coordinates. And I've got it to use distances instead so it compresses better. So that's funny. Moss Eater, stop duplicating! Stop duplicating! That's not allowed. I don't allow you to do that. Where was I going with this? I don't remember. No, Cell Machine was a Game Jam game. I wrote an entire article about Cell Machine. Look at this. Look at this stub. This is a stub. But Cell Machine was the original game that caused the inception of Force Automatas. There's the entire lower here, sort of. I'll be right back. Shut up! I will feed you. I will feed you. Yes, it's 6 o'clock now. It's 6 o'clock now. Now you can eat. Hey, look, it's the enemy. I specifically want to go to the firework enemy. Hehe. So sorry. Hold them back. Put them back into containment. Terrible. Game of Life better. I have Game of Life in Cellua. Cellua has Game of Life. Cellua has life. But the full name is Conway's Game of Life, and no, that was the Sam Hogue. That was the whatever it's called. Never mind. Theseus contraption. Specifically because I want to see this GIF, just to show. It has life. I am very good at speedrunning these little critters. Possibly because of mild obsession. Mild. This is mild. And so I take the whatever this color is called. Take this color and I go over this. Whee! Oh. I am very good at making silly critters. Do not be fooled. Life does not glide. It kills itself and kills the air. I can see them appearing. Try, man. Too bad. Try harder. Cat. Whoa, a monoped. Oh, sketch. Show me. Why does it clear all of them? What if there was a soft cell? Put him in a mold. Put him in a mold. I like this. Slightly off-white background. Why do you have these set up? I think you have it set up incorrectly. You didn't click the layer when you made it. What am I even disabling? How dare you forget glass? How dare you forget glass? So rude. Whoa. Who's this fella? Scope out this guy. Where'd he go? So many get through, so many get through. So many get through. Guys. I don't have a funny thing to say about this. I'm sorry, I'm not funny. What if there was a glass cell? We have ice, if that suffices. It looks close enough. The ice wall looks close enough. Okay, fun fact, very cool lore, you cannot mold glass. You cannot mold chalk. Chalk is the only one which cannot be, modified like the others because he's too resistant. If you try to, you will get exploded. Sent launched backwards very far. It is not a pleasant experience. Do something like this. Guys, I can do 3D. Look at my 3D. Whoa. Maybe do a little something like this, and a little something like this, and a little something like this. That's your tutorial for the day. He does not like this form. He does not like this form. Hey, why are you mad? I could take the particle, and I could stuff it inside of there. Instead of this being a screen, that's a cage. '3D cello. I love 3D cello. I'm only ever gonna make 3D cello art. What did I name it? Shocker. I didn't name it Shocker. 3D cello art because look at this tasty perspective, which I guessed. I guessed all by myself. I did not use any references. I did not use lines. I did not use guides. I guessed with my brain because I have intuition. I have eyes. I can see the world. What if I made music? Oh yeah, I should do that. I should pull out one of my drafts. I don't know how many of you clicked the miscellaneous button at the top of the navigation. So, which one? This one. I've been meaning to talk about this one for a bit. I think this one could go somewhere. I'll play it in a moment. But the only issue is that it sounds very familiar. And that's scary. So, I don't know what to do with the after the part anyways. View and song player. Yes. Guys, it's my own BB radio. You don't know what that is. Haha. Very good. Oh, it's lagging. No! I might change the lead on this part. I don't like the lead. It's a very old core. That doesn't make sense. How silly. There's that. I probably won't do anything with this. Haha. Fun fact. The meow synth, it's just so you take the note filter and you just like go down. You have a low pass and you just bring it down and then it sounds like a meow. I've got it pretty soft here. I don't know if I can get it to work though. Maybe not with this. Not with the sawtooth. I have to get around it. None. There we go. It's the meower. Oh, and then I can't even undo. Sigh. No! I like slop. I think slop can go somewhere. I like slop. You know. Factual statements I've never said. Yes, I did name Lava that lap because it was chaotic. This is a new part. I haven't listened to it enough. And that's all I've done for it. They're called giraffes for a reason. They're called giraffes for a reason. I don't know what to do with them. Lava Lamp Wall. You guys get to listen to this one. I think this one's funny, but I've got to mute 2 of the channels. I'm never gonna finish that rhythm game. I quit that rhythm game. Ha ha ha. Ultrabox isn't liking this. It doesn't like me streaming this one. There's too many stuff going on. Why do I know the melody? Haha. And then it loops from there. There are these 2 channels that I muted for a reason. I think they're too much for this. This is the most recent one. Let me copy these channels. It's just a loop, unfortunately. Name of this genre, I don't know. But this is the release cut piano from All My Fellas, and then this one is just a picked bass. I like this one. Yes. This one, I composed it in one Ito. There are no divisions of the octave. You only get octaves. I don't like that instrument. Go away. Which one? This one's a draft that I have been unable to do anything with. I really like this instrument. I really like this instrument. But I don't know what to do with it. Oh, Lamplight did do one Ito pretty well. I remember. But I've got to play this one. Haha. This would have been like the end of the song. And it goes up an octave! And then it goes down. All scary-like. I think it was inspired by the one Glass Beach song that had a Geometry Dash level about it. Props to you if you know what it is. And I skipped the pause. Sorry for the music! Ha 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 ha! Rather loud. This one was for some sort of story I would have made, but I never made it because I don't know how to make music, actually. I'm a faker! Look at those chords. It's a loop. I didn't do anything more. I've never played Undertale, actually. Haha. That's enough of those. That's enough of those. What's in the inbox? Oh. Oh. Man, I'm killing your new lines. I'm killing your new lines. You don't get to have that many. Okay. Right here. Rob. I am hoarding cheeseburgers in my basement and the police can't do anything about it. That's rude. You can't do that. That's so mean. Stop being disrespectful. Most consumer. I know. I saw you earlier. I saw you right now. I've played the demo of Deltarune. I have not played the current full release, though, because I have no money. So I've been trying to avoid spoilers as much as possible, which has been half working. Here's my awesome drawing. Wow. Let me see. Guys, I don't think the drawing loaded. I don't think the drawing loaded. It didn't work. It didn't work. It didn't work. I think your site's broken, man. Walter White, get out of here. Get out of here. Go away. Will I make a gaming channel? Gorman from the hit game Rain World. Can't believe it. Go eat your food, you fool. Plot twist, I'm a minor, so I can't even do Ko-Fi. Because I can't set up a damn business account as a minor. I'm only 16, almost 17. Wow, that's crazy. I may make a gaming channel, and guess what? That will be the same channel as the current one. All of my videos, most of my videos will be in the same channel because I am a variety channel. You're not funny. You're not funny. You're not funny. Whoever you are, you're not funny. You get to have one. You get to have exactly one new line. Guys, what does this mean? I wonder if it's a regional thing that I'm saying guys instead of chat. Should I start saying chat? Why are you sad face? No. No. Whoa, another. Wait. Is this the same one? I should play the remix anyways. Because this is very cool. I don't know how you guys keep managing to duplicate your messages, like several days after you send it. How do you keep doing that? Like this is... Where is it? Where is it? How does this keep happening? Like you go over here and it's just been duplicated. I don't know how that keeps happening. Gals, let's listen to this song. It's a banger song. It's a banger remix of my bad song. I'm gonna have to untab though. Ah! You made the ending part sound good. I don't even know how you did that. No, you don't get to loop. This part, I don't even know how you did it. You made my song good. You made it good. Like, everything is so awesome about this. I don't know how you took my terrible song and made it good. I say terrible in a joking manner. It's like okay-ish. My song is okay-ish, yours is amazing. Looks to the moon, I'm pretty sure that's like an iterator or something from the world of rain. Oh, it is. Okay. Your computer is 28 days uptime. No, you should restart your computer every once in a while. That's bad for your computer. Live reaction, guys. Whoa. I like that instrument. You can't use samples in beatbox. I would expect you did. Oh wait, no, that's Ultrabox. Okay. Whoops. No! Linter's here! No! No! Ah! Very cool song. Thank you for sending it through. I'm going to look at that instrument. I'm gonna steal that instrument, perhaps. That's not the instrument. Double saw. You know what? Ugh. Very cool. Do I know Edobox? I do know Edobox. I've seen it a few times. I think I tried to interact with it once. I didn't really do anything with it. Because I can't bother with divisions of the octave. I need an Ultrabox mod, or whatever beatbox mod, which allows... What was it called? Damn. I need Lamplight's notation in Ultrabox or something. And then I can finally compose for real. I will be a real composer. what do you think of the latest game in the Tomodachi Life series? I have been avoiding content of it as best as I can because I wish I could play it myself. So, can you guess it? Oh goodness. I think I know what this is. Guys, I think it's a cigar. I think What do I think of burgers? I love burgers. I love burgers. Oh goodness, Linters is in the inbox. No! Um, find the secret message in the blank image. Okay. Layer below. Let's see here. Excuse me. Where is the image? Where is the image? Find the secret image. I don't say no secret image. Are you bluffing? Oh, it's an eraser stroke. I guess I'll have to do it this way. Okay, so strokes. No. Layers 0.strokes. For each stroke. You've cast my hand. Now let's see. No? No, nothing. Layers 0. Strokes. 10. Erase equals false. Oh, opacity. Okay. Fine. Fine. Color. The purple one. What? Hey. Hey. What does this mean? I am not able to get back to Discord. Not for a while. Not for a long time. Maybe when I'm 18. Probably not. Ha ha ha. Hey, did you know I have 3 cats? Congratulations. I wish I had multiple cats. I have only 1. Ah! Stop screaming at me! What are their names? What are their names? I must know. Edo box draft 40. Unbihexium. Edo box. Ah. I'm 16 still. Hello, Bite the Cookie. It has been a bit. Oh, I forgot to check the image. While this is playing. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Ooh. Gorman. Wow. Glorious. Love. Guys, I think I think this might be, what's it called? Bihorium monohoside something. This is Bihorium monohoside. If only there was a way to programmatically generate UPEC names. But I guess not. Sigh. Pretty cool. Oh, no. That sucks. No. I wish you luck. Peller. Peller, you should add. You should. Um. You should add. Uh. You should add. Tetraplas. You should add Tetraplas. I don't know if you've seen the image. You should add tetra. Oh my god, that's the wrong layer. You should add Tetraplas to your world. Where did the funny names for the punctuation things come from? Okay, so Quarium comes from. Let me pull it up. Quar comes from. I don't want to look up what. I want to look up quar. It comes from this image. And then the other two are formed in similar ways, where you take like the base word and then you just like shift it by one letter on the keyboard in some direction. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Look at this detailed mouth for what is supposed to be a silly character. How silly. It makes it even more silly. I have the etymologies over here. Yeah, so you take the letter and you shift it on the keyboard. You take the letter and you shift it on the keyboard. This one was double duplicated, so it follows English phonotactical rules. You understand? Oh, you know what? While I have this open, I can open up the aadenboy wiki. I can show extremely old art. That would be fun. I'm booting up the wiki right now. We may never get such a detailed mouth again. Fool, I will always do that mouth whenever I can, because it's silly and funny. I did it for sauce once, I think. You want to see aadenboy? Maybe another time. Guys, watch. Wow. Jobnetta has always been canon. What the hell are you on about? Jobnetta has always been canon. Where should I go? Where? List of characters. That's where I go. I'm specifically gonna do sauces. Because he has a wiki page that is pretty long. Let me say. Yes. Wow. Okay, that is a lot more than I remember, but it's because the window is so small. Set $WG logos with the URL path to your own logo image. When will Sauce be canon? Sauce will never be canon. I ate him. This is 360p. Oh goodness, I will, there you go. Maybe not so much. Here. For blind eyes. Here, you can go back and read through it, I guess. No way, that's the old site. I forgot. Who? Damien. Because he has an image in his info box. This is an old image. Old image when he was monopedal. This is not canon. And gallery, automatic gallery. How fun. Special file list. There is some old art. Old art in this wiki. Let me see if I can load it. I don't know why. It takes forever to load when I do it in my computer. Here. Yep. Here. Here is George. This is the first image of George ever. Self-hosted media wiki is because I'm using localhost. I've got it through MAMP. Whatever it's called. I don't even know how to say the name. MAMP. It's pretty easy. But you can't see it's localhost. Haha. And this is not canon. This is not canon. They're creating thumbnail. Okay. For those who don't know, because nobody here knows, maybe Inters knows. How do I pronounce your name? Linters? Inters? This was for a Block 8 world. This was for a Block 8 event, and I got him to be in there. Because that was funny. Look at this. Old art. Old art. This is not canon. This is not canon. This is outdated. This is outdated. This is maybe canon. Maybe. Inters. Peller, I'm not sure if you know about the event. I don't even remember what the event was called. It was that long ago. It was so long ago. Dude, I can't keep up with all of this. What? aadenboy. Whoa. It's the fanon, aadenboy. Yeah, I did see the changelog. Block 8 added the stat biaser. The thing that I requested so long ago. That was fun. I'm never gonna visit it, though. I will never come back. Ha ha ha. So fun lore fact, aadenboy is corporeal. Corporeal, however you pronounce that word. So he can have any form. He's a funny shapeshifter being. There's a reason for that, I guess. But I will explain it sooner or later. Not today. I do not still play. I love the stream delay. I love the stream delay. Don't worry, Moss Eater 57. I can delete messages. Haha. That's lost media now. The boneless creature asked you to stream Joshua. I'm not streaming Joshua in the Promised Land. I didn't see this link either. Crap. Oh, in non whatever the word is. Blah blah blah. SB112, your thing's not loading. Your thing's not loading. It's taking forever. Aiden, no. Aidenbot is a thing. Aidenbot is full name, legal name is aadenboy utility. It's not loading. Oh no. ip.go.ply.gg. It's not working for you. Have I ever played Baba Is You? Have I ever played Baba Is You? Are you kidding? I have played Baba Is You a good amount of times to the point where Isley Puzzles has featured one of my level packs. I stopped playing after a while though because interest shifted, but I have played the game. I have played the game. I haven't completed the main story. Haha. I'd hate having a mobile. So I'm just going to it's okay. I kind of prefer you don't, so the inbox doesn't get flooded. Let me check the pie chart. This is a really easy way to get your name up on the pie chart. You're up on the leaderboard! Burger. With one letter, shifted up a keyboard. Is the rot canon? What rot? Reload. I'll let that load in the background. What's that big quarter circle? Oh, that big quarter circle? That is, I think you pronounce it Grat Crazy. Because Grat Crazy has been sending mostly daily drawings into my inbox of all of my characters. So he takes up a good chunk of it. Whoa. This is very cool. Love! Love! Yes! I don't mind that. I've been reacting to everyone. Hahaha. Whoa! What's that instrument? Rilepona. Rilepona. I did not. Yes, I did actually. Yes, yes, yes. I saw Lipamanka's summary of it. So I know what happened. I didn't actually read it. I don't think I will. Unfortunately, I'm bored. Haha. But I have heard of the news. Well, this is pretty long. Let me turn it down. I'm on Sonapona. Lipu! Lipu! That's silly. I'm not gonna implement nothing. I'm not doing nothing. You're not making me do anything. I made an ASCII-based encoding of Tokipona. Tokipona. I love the anglicized version of it. Tokipona. Okay. So I did a thing. It's ASCII, but Tokipona. I've yet to share this off anywhere. It's just been on the wiki, waiting, sitting. Also, if you visited the wiki and like checked any of the words, like I guess gamma, I guess I helped with the tagging for these. That is not correct. I'll fix that later. Power, that's gonna kill your computer. I need to check which instrument has the fart unison. No. Not yellow. Oh, it looped. It looped. It did not loop. I've been fooled. I think this is the first time I've drawn Baba with, like, reasonably length legs. Because all of the other times I've drawn Baba, Baba has had, like, very stubby legs. Like sauce! How fast can I speak Tokipona? I cannot speak Tokipona fast, or at all, actually. I can translate, I can't read. Maybe I could. I could try one of the tongue twisters, that would be funny. Golikama kiwen. Yang kama liweka lonsuno kama. Kama kulupuli musia. Let me go over here. Let me take my sentence. Tokia, tempo nila mi kama son ale toki. Taso mi antali lipuni. Doesn't make more bear type spiky ears. I don't care. I don't care. I like Baba with spiked ears. Because I have a slight obsession. Toki does mean talk, but it also means conversation. It means language as well. I love polysemy. Ooh. Oh yeah, I need to check which one has the fart unison. No! Gamer, don't get food! It's Bona! It's Bona! You can't tell because I don't aspirate the sound. I'm not gonna say like Pona. Where's the fart unison? There it is! What if I take it off? What I like to do is I take the pitch shift and I set it to flare. Ah! Take this one. Let's see what it has on offer. Oh, short one. Aim and break. Enter, don't spam the inbox, please! Arpeggio. Arpeggio? How do you say that? I don't know how to fix the text. I probably can fix the text selection. Another song. Ah. Thank you, tiny URL. No. What kind of dubstep is this? How do you even... Oh gosh, 11. That's a really high frequency, man. No. I should visit the old aadenboy site. I should visit the NeoCity site. My god, I don't like this. This is a sight ever. This is it's okay. It's an attempt by me, I guess. But look, I gave Baba more like stubby legs when I drew Baba. Oh. Not, is there not more of Baba? Seriously? Did I not put more? Am I this much of a fool? Oh. Here's my old Baba art. And you find at least 20. This was based on an ad that I got, where it asked you to find several words, but it only gave my like 8 slots. So, these are part of daily drawings I used to do. Oh, that's my current picture. That's my current profile picture. I cooked with this one. I cooked with this profile picture. Look at my amazing colors. You guys should upvote my color names. And you find at least 20 Baba. I've already found several Baba. Hello. Yay! I've gone through everything. Now I can draw again. Ha 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 ha. I should draw more of my PFP? No. I can draw Aidenboy, but I'm not making another profile picture. So, there's that. Guys, it's Aidenboy. Alright. Oh, there was a drawing here? What? What? Didn't work. Hey. Accutane ductor. What? Venters, you're not making sense like you've always been. Superstructure for railroad. Are you seriously trying to insert a raw string? What are you on about? You're not gonna get anywhere. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, wait, that's a raw. That's the... Oh. Do the picture to the message, but different. Why would you send in the raw... Why? I don't know any balls. There's a fill tool. Please use the fill tool next time. Oh god. Can't even draw. There's too much stuff on this grade. Import canvas. Failed to execute A to B on window. Well, no wonder. A to B to A. Good job. You crashed the site. You... God damn it. You crashed the site. That's not a valid string. That's not a valid string. I don't even know you wanted to send me. Oh, I skipped the drawing. Hi, Taco. Hello, Taco. I need to be, like, moving this off the window still. Ah! Hey! No! Blue! Superstructure. Oh, it duplicated again. Haha. Get duplicated. Prove the Turing machine. This never halts. I say it doesn't halt because I said so. Good luck. No, thank you. I'm not doing it. Guess what? What if it wasn't Turing complete? Therefore, I could solve the Turing the halting problem. Taco. Okay. Reference sheet. Reference sheet. Ooh. Here, look at this in a new tab. Why is it so zoomed in? Ooh, interesting. That would be fun. Maybe I should use this. Ha ha ha. Well, it would be funny if I take all of these and I put it into the info boxes for the characters. That would be fun. That would be funny. Because I plan to add the little guy statistics to the info boxes, so maybe I can do that there too. Why did this turn into a link? You're not allowed to do that. You are not allowed to do that. Oh. What do you mean the brush thingy is off? Your image, it isn't even importing. How did you get it? How did you get a thing which doesn't work? Invalid stroke type 239. How did you manage to mess it up? I'm astonished. How? That's crazy. You managed to mess up the byte encoding. Me when element cattos. This is magnetite. Magnetite. Goodbye, Peller. Fractal Block World. I have heard of Fractal Block World. Well, I've got your attention. I shall check out the recent changes of the wiki. What's been going on? Um. That's a long name. That's not why I was here. There he is again. This guy. This guy. I forget he has a necklace. Whoop. This string is a silly cipher. I'm not doing a cipher. Not on stream. Guys. It's, how to say it backwards? It's a gag. It's a gack. What's the next one? I'm so behind. Song for when you go fast. Music! Did the other ones have drawings too? I might have missed that. Oh, it might be the same one. Yep. Yes, I know this issue. It is because whenever you're zoomed in, sometimes it'll do that. I think it is when you increase the font size, it's when it does that. Maybe. I don't know. I've seen this issue with straw pages. I don't know if I can reproduce it here. I'm not going outside. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. You messed up the drawing as well. You messed up the drawing as well. How did you do it? Yabnir? No, I'm not making Yabnir canon. And Tob Netta. Who is Tob? Have I seen Oobleck? I have seen Oobleck before. I think there is a catto for that on the wiki. Let me see. Yes, there is. What was I gonna do? Oh yeah, Boron. I was gonna drop Boron. You sent that comment a long while ago and I never did anything with it. Nope, I don't want to overwrite this layer. Maybe I could try recreating Kit's art style. That would be fun. I've been wanting to try to do that, just steal someone's art style. I might try that at some point. Tungsten. Tungsten. The only thing I remember about this one it has funny colors and it also breaks tables. It has to have 8 compounds. What do you know all those compounds for? See? I don't think these colors are right. I think I'm a little too dark. What was it? So many colors. You don't need that many colors. You want you only get purple. Woo. One color. Have I seen Oobleck? No, I already read that one. So silly. Bug testing. What are you testing? What's the issue? Why are you causing this? You gotta stop putting inbound stroke types, you fools. What? 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 Stop cloning yourself. I already told you. Okay, guys, I have an idea. I have an amazing idea. Watch me go off track again. I'm gonna go to here. Where is it? I don't remember where I went. What was it? Oh, you know what? I can put on this one. I can put on this one. Looky. I'll follow this one in particular. Why do these guys like sleeping so much? Over here. You're all so mad. No, this one's happy. You're neutral. You're gonna get slapped. What are you doing? Oh. You really want to sleep. You really want to sleep. This went over there just to punch him. No! Stop spamming! Stop spamming! Look at these lovers. Look at this guy. He's such a lover. Sexual dong. Never mind, I can't pronounce that. Oh, this guy's mad. What are these guys gawking about? They have simple minds. Oh. Why would he do that? He's calm. Oh. Go to sleep. There you go. Oh. Everyone's sleeping. There is a relationship system, but it was half implemented. I don't think it even works. Oh, this guy's excited. Okay, enough with that. What else is here? I don't remember. I don't remember. It was 3D. This one. Oh, come on. Really? First thing? These guys suck. Blue, my goat, is gonna win. Are you kidding me? These guys suck. It's the 3D version. Yellow died again. These guys suck. Why? Terrible. They are terrible. I'm done. I'm going down there. Oh my god. Look at him. Look at it. Genuinely, what are you doing? What are you doing? What's the screen recorder thingy? It is OBS. Anyways. Oh, that's not the Google Chrome. Was there a fast song? Oh, I forgot. I didn't notice this one. Into the URL you go. Why would you divide it in such a way? Surely you do not need 21. Oh my god, 21. What is this? 21 over 8? 21 over 8? Whoa, that's not okay. Goodbye, Remia. Moss Eater 23. I'm gonna explode all of the Moss Eaters. Lemniscate sign. The what? It's duplicated. Ooh. Let's see. Wow! It's him! It's the Tetraplast! What do you mean it's in 32.8? Flood Escape. Guide from Flood Escape 2? I don't know. Ha ha ha. I haven't played in forever, and I will never will. Haha. So I have no opinion. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. Hello, 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 hello. Oh goodness, that's a little bit. I found out I'm very loud. Ha ha ha. I'm a little bit loud. Hello. Hello. X to the 5th. Oh goodness. Let's see. Enter this in. Exact form. Which one? This one? Oh my! This one exact form? That's a little bit. That's a few. Maybe it's this one. Why are they so large? Crazy. Alright. Please tell me what the bug is. Tell me what the bug is so I can fix it. Used to feel a lot of pain. Okay. Colon C. Why does it turn them all into links when I copy them? So silly. Next song. Seven, 8, I think. Wow. Phil, it's Phil. Oh, you know what it might be? I think it might be something to do with this. Yeah, okay. I think. Yep, yep. That is what it is. It is that. Okay. I see. It's an encoding issue. Sigh, I didn't implement it correctly. He can only go as far as he can walk, unfortunately. He cannot fly in the air. That is not... Ooh, short one. Only 2 channels. That's loud. Yikes. Cake's a lie. Oh no. I don't think I could do that. Audio files, no. I mean, theoretically, I could get the Google form to use, you know, the whatever it's called, the file upload thing, but that saves it to my cloud, and that can be exploited. Also, there's no way I'm gonna get it through with a compressed link. So just send an audio link. Just send a URL. Much easier that way. My days are numbered. I am leaving soon. Very soon. It is closing upon that time. Unfortunately. I don't know if we need to discuss this here, though. The controversy. I think it's best left elsewhere. I'm not sure what to do. Still cat from Rain World. Whoa! Gasp. Why is your body so large yet your legs so thin? That is what I wonder. That is what I wonder. You have simply a bone for a leg. Oh. I didn't mean to kill him. Oh. Stream is dying. The stream is dying. It's been a good while. It has been a good, at least a few hours. I think that's a good one. While I have your attention. While I have your attention, because I have this, over here. Where is it? Live stats. Guess what? We're 82.796247621438% to the end of time. This is an accurate metric. The 83rd percentile is in 50 days. Better watch out. Hello, Lincoln X. It's this fool! It's this fool! Kill this fool! Looking at a trash bin. Oh goodness. Pie chart. Let's see the pie chart. You've grown. You're still swamped by crazy. Let's see. Let's see if this works. Oh goodness, a drive link. Scary. Oh, hello from there. Sir. I need access. I need access to the drive. I would pull the tab in. I would put the tab, but it'll reveal my email, so I'm not going to do that. Take your time. Do you request to watch videos? I don't think I will do that. I do not think I should do that. I mean, the idea is there, maybe, but I think that would be too much of a danger. Hold on, that's a duplicated message. That's a duplicated message. Okay, try again. MP3. Oh, scary. Watch me get jump scared. Whoa! So goofy. So silly. Do I dare try? Man, I can't do that. I don't know how to dynamically change the reds of the colors. I don't think I can do that. Guys, it's a stream in a stream! If it's even gonna load. Uh-huh. One frame per sometimes. It's him. It's it. It's it. Oh. It loves it. Wowzers. I quite like the sound design for this. Why is there a voice in the background? What is that thing? The thing. What? I need to draw that thing. Oh, I've got to close this. I've got to close this. It's gonna kill. Watch me do it from memory. This thing. I don't know what it is, but I like it. I like that critter. Blue. The hat was blue. But I'll make it purple because funny. Straw page extension thingy. Well, clearly my drawing thing is better. My drawing thing is the best one. I've been thinking of taking this thing out of the inbox and having it be its own like software that you can embed into something, because I've got compression, I've got a stable drawing interface. It could work. It could work. Gubby Hexa. Interesting. Excuse me. I will take over Straw Page. Fun fact, I don't know how accessible Straw Page is. I don't think it might be that entirely accessible, because all the floating images and stuff. I'm betting if I take my screen reader and run it over it, it will read all of the unlabeled images. That's what I bet will happen. I care a bit about accessibility, if you couldn't tell. I spent a good chunk of my time taking this. If I command F5 this and I go over with the screen reader, just to be silly. It's gonna take forever to load.
Voiceover on Chrome. Several machine wiki. Google Chrome.
Shut up.
Aadenboy,
Shut up.
A,
Shut up.
Page. Selected.
No.
Space with applications. Drive bookmark button. Chrome has new win. P. Selected. Dimmed. Link. Jump to visited link image. Puller. Moves forward.
What?
Visited link image. Link. Jump.
Why is it doing it like that? What the heck?
Welcome to the cell. The wiki dedicated to visited link. Explain. Is it? Question mark. Visited link. Question.
Since when has it done that? What? You're supposed to ignore that. Rude. Bad.
Currently on a text element.
It's supposed to be nice. Here, maybe I'll go here.
TSM. Visited link. Mover.
Why? No. Bad. It hasn't done this before. What the heck? Sigh. Well, I get to complain for a moment.
Now in Cellular Machine Wiki, Google Fancy G on text https://www.google.com Fancy Font Generator. Google's loaded. Fancy Font Generator.
So I have
Fancy
a
text generator. Script letter. Script letter. Script letter. Script letter Y. Now in Fancy
I
text generator.
have a
Script loaded.
I have a
You are currently on a text element inside of a group. To exit this group, press Control Option Shift up arrow.
okay, I can speak now. I have a bone to pick with these damn fancy font generators. Because guess what? They're not accessible. They're not accessible.
Like Fancy text generator. Script letter. Script letter. Script letter. Script letter Y. Mathematical bold fractor small a. Mathematical bold fractor small n. Mathematical bold fractor small d. Script letter. Script letter. Script letter. Script letter. Script letter e. Horizontal bar. Lingo jam. Web content. You are currently on a radio button inside of a group. To select this option, press Control Option Space. To exit this group, press Control Option Shift up arrow.
It's not accessible. It just doesn't know how to read it. It reads it letter by letter. If I go over here,
Mathematical bold fractor small t. Mathematical bold fractor small h. Mathematical bold fractor small u. Mathematical bold fractor small g. Mathematical bold fractor small l. Mathematical bold fractor small 1. Mathematical bold fractor small f. Mathematical bold fractor small a. Voiceover off.
that's supposed to say Thug Life in like a fancy font. But it reads it out loud one by one because that's not what those characters are for. Those are mathematical characters. You fool. Do not use them like that. That's why I hate that. Do not ever use it like that. I have more links to visit. Scary, scary, scary. The internet is a scary place. Oh goodness. No, I'm not doing meta. I am not showing my own stream on here. What is this Google Doc? It would be nice if it was able to tell like how to read the characters, but such a thing is not possible automatically because you can't tell whether, say, the mathematical script letters are being used for mathematical purposes or as regular text. I mean, maybe with generative AI, but I don't want my water being eaten. And same goes for like any other character. You can automatically replace it with like HTML tricks, but then you risk like dyslexic people from not being able to read it. So it's just not good at all. Don't do it. It's not a good idea. How long is this? What is this emoji? Exactly. You can't type it. Me when the funny DJ repeating thing. I guess while I've got everyone's attention, I shall go through my other games. Oh, it's this guy. What the? Oh, I forgot I did that. I did not know you could jump in the air. I've forgotten. Hey. Where's the tweening? No! What? Where's the squash and stretch? So rude. That's not right. Where's the button? Oh, it's P. Okay. There's no squat. Oh, there we go. Yay! I didn't do it for like the landing though. I don't know why. Okay. What else is here? What else is here? I like the main menu for this. I think the main menu I did for this was really cool, but I never did anything with the project. So it's a remnants that will never be done with. That's not a sentence. Oh, I also made this font. Enough of that. Get out of here. I should pull out this, my unfinished Sokoban game. I will never finish this. No! You can't undo this? What? This is the old version. Darn. Come here. Get over here. I'm sure you love my keyboard noises. That's all of that. What else is here? I don't remember what's in here. Let's look at my Game Jam games. Let's play this one. That's loud! You can't turn down the music. Oh, that's loud. This thing that I made. It did not win. Can we get to the later levels? I'm bored. I'm bored. Oh, I did it wrong. What the heck? How do I solve this again, Afragor? Oh, like this. Okay. Guys, I don't remember the solution to my own game. Oh, I don't want to do this. I want to go to the fun levels. I want to go to the fun levels. Why do I have to play through all this? Let's play this one. Oh, I forgot this was full screen. Speed run. This was my other Game Jam game. VibRibbon, I don't think that was an inspiration. I was inspired by like vector art games. Like the ones that would use the vectors and such. I don't know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about. The Asteroids game. It was inspired by that. And VibRibbon uses a similar visual style. No. Oh, Barquod up. OBARQODOP. Okay. What is shut up? What is this? What is this? Oh, I remember this. I'm not gonna explain the lore about this. Haha. This one. I made this for the conlaying of mine. What was it, P? Space. I don't remember which one. Oh, I did something. I did something. While that's loading. Inbox. Hello. So much in my inbox. Back to this one. No, back to this one. Thoughts of burning memory. I'm good. I'm good. I think I already know of them. No, not again. What the heck? Ew. That's a duplicated message. What the heck? It's not on the table. What the heck? Woo. Antiplas. Oh my. Why are there so many bytes to this? Goodbye, Pillar. That's not the correct symbol. Hold on. Let me fix. So you take this. What the heck? What the heck? I'm not sure anymore. Ha 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 ha. Cannon. I say that one's cannon. Oscilloscope trace. Audio. Oh, wow. What? Oh my. Do send through my Tumblr inbox. Do send. Interesting. That is really cool. Why is this outside of the table? What the heck? Okay, what else is in my Love 2D folder? Oh, that's the old one. Haha. Let's play Selua. Let's play Selua Duracell. I need my electricity. Maybe this is it. That's not what I wanted to do. Whatever. Let's go here. Oh, I forgot to check out those. Whoops, I'm sorry. What the heck? That's not a cell. Ooh. Little sound bites. Woo! I wonder what they're for. Oh. I like that arpeggio. Arpeggio. However you pronounce that. Oh my god. What the heck? There's just no data. Dude, you broke it! How dare you break my table? Isn't that the rock slime from Slime Rancher? Pretty cool. Oh, I forgot to draw a light catto. I forgot. I wanted to draw this guy, but I forgot. Line tool, because I don't get to use vectors here. Let's listen to Lamplight to end the stream off. Because we're on the topic of microtones. What is my notification? What is this notification? Hello? Hello? Okay. I haven't seen this one. It doesn't work with the piano. Oh, now I'm feeling it. There we go. Yay! Uh-huh. New video. This is a new one. That's loud! Next year. Next year. Well, I shall get going now. This song won't finish, unfortunately. Or maybe it will. I'll let it play in the background, but goodbye.